This is just a quick review of the Pro-Kleen snow foam. First impressions are it is very well, it's not really the snow foam I'm used to from my other videos. I think it's very watery. The only pleasant thing about it really is the smell. As you can see, the £10 eBay snow foam lance is creating a fair amount of suds, but nothing out of the ordinary. It's pretty standard. And now we're just gonna let it dwell for the 5 minutes and see what it's like. As you can see, after the 5 minutes, we still have suds on the car. I do understand that it's under cover, so I think in the summer you're really going to have to be careful that it doesn't dry on the car, because it will cause you issues. But we will wash this off and test the other lance now. Now we move on to the other side of the car, and the detailed online lance. It has the same dilution as the other side. It is just a simple test of the amount of foam and how it looks on the car, basically, because everyone loves a bit of snow foam. And from this you can see straight off that the suds and the foam does look thicker, but we will need to test this over the 5 minutes to make it a fair test. So another test I wanted to do was just to see the cleaning power of the actual snow foam, and behind the number plate there was a load of dirt, so the next job was to just spray this down, let it dwell again for 5 minutes and just see the cleaning power of the product, and see how it gets on. So after washing it off, I just wanted to, see what was left and what the snow foam couldn't really touch. I know it's a pre-wash, but it's nice to be able to just see what you should expect. As you can see, there's still quite a lot of green, even after going over it with a jet wash. As you can see there, still quite a lot of dirt left on the car that wasn't carried away by the snow foam. And then you can see just here all the dirt behind the number plate. Doesn't really look like it's touched it, but I just want to do one final test. So the final test that I wanted to do was just spray some Built Hamber APC onto the car and let it dwell for the same amount of time, and then just rinse it off and just see what sort of results we get. I know it's not a snow foam, but it's just to show you, how much more bite this can have when you put snow foam on top of it, or you just use it as your pre-wash. Now we're going to start to wash it off and just concentrate on those green areas that I showed you earlier, and then we will move on to the number plate area, and you can see straight away that most of the dirt is coming off, so it's showing that the product does work and how strong it is at getting rid of all that road grime that's built up over the years. All in all, I think the Pro-Kleen snow foam is okay. It smells nice. Don't know if that's a bit gimmicky. I probably could have made the ratios more, but I wanted to stick to what it said on the back of the box. And there will be a full video of this car being cleaned coming out soon.